Hey guys, what's up? Innova 2.8 liters V diesel automatic 1.8 million. So hindi to yung Zenix diesel kasi pag gasoline lang yung malupit, yung bagong body. So ito old body pa rin, diesel. As stated naman sa ng Toyota, lahat ng diesel variant it will use the same body. And ayan. So this is the inside interior of your Innova. So merong wood trim or wood panel, napakaganda. And of course, ito yung kanyang dashboard, tapos yung mga ilaw kasi pag G and top of the line, medyo maganda na yung kanyang inside cabin. So ayan, of course, ito yung mga steering wheel niya, push button na din, handbrake, tipul pa rin pero yung kanyang seat fabric, hindi siya leather. May touch of brown na parang medyo animal look, leopard. So tingnan natin, yung V variant guys, ano siya? Captain seat. So as you can see, so captain seat siya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7-seater captain seat, and meron siya ditong table. Not sure how to open it, baka dalawa siya, pero na pinipindot. Ayun guys, maximum of 10 kilos. So yun, pwede mong kainan to guys. So yun, ganun lang pala. Pwede mong pakainan or pwede ka siguro maglagay dito ng 10 kilos eh. So pwede ka dito maglagay ng laptop. Alright, so ito lang yung kanyang release. So yun, pretty much, yun yung kanyang loob. So yeah, may mga ilaw, tapos dito LED na ambient light, tapos ito yung likod. So swabing-swabe guys. Innova, so sa mga mahilig na ng diesel variant, check nyo na to guys. May rear view camera, 2.8 liters. Ganda ng kulay, shark fin, may spoiler. Tapos yung mugs niya ay rim. Anong rim nito? Rim 17, 215, 55 series. 5 spokes. So, ang ganda niya. Meron din dito power, na din to, power window. And may ilaw siya. So, yan. LED fog lamps. Muna tayo sa driver side. Wireless na rin, yung parang itatouch mo. Yung entry niya, keyless. So, ayun. Ito yung height adjustment. May airbags na rin dito sa upuan. Ito yung sa pag-decline. And of course, namumove. And automatic parking assist. So, yun. Ito yung lagay ng cup holder. And then, of course, so, ayan. Nandito tayo sa loob ng Innova. Push button. Like I said, analog yung cluster. Yung gitna lang yung digital. Automatic, meron siyang sequential na plus minus. So ito, infotainment, may dashcam na siya nakasama. And ang kagandahan guys ngayon sa mga Toyota, whether you get the Wigo, lahat ng variant may dashcam na siya na built-in. And then to, may lagay ng sages nyo. So yan, ito yung mga functions sa mga ilaw. Aircon temperature control, rear. Tapos ito yung laki pwede ka maglagay dito ng bucket ng nuggets. Oops, sorry. Lakas. Pero yun. So, push button. Yan lang. So, pretty much, that's it for your Innova. And do check it out here sa Toyota Calamba. And look for Rosmar Disocho, guys. Ayan. I'll show you the link ng kanyang profile. Pero yan. That's your Innova 2.8 liters V variant. Diesel.
Alright, once again guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe on the channel. And once again, this is your Innova 2.8 liters diesel automatic V variant. Alright, once again, thanks for watching guys. Bye!